everyone. Welcome again to another session with me on my YouTube channel. My name is Venice Irving. How are you doing? It's great to be here again so we can talk more about some resources and tips for you as teachers. So today we're going to be talking about multiple streams of income. We all want that money, right? Everybody wants to know how we can make extra money, especially during this time. So let me give you some ideas as to what you can do as a teacher to earn more money or to turn your hand like fashion and go into another stream of income. All right. So first thing I want to say to you though is that the aim is to have up to 7 streams of income. However, when you're first starting, you want to start off with about 2 or 3. Don't overwhelm yourself too much. And for those 2 or 3, you want them to be steady, strong, and consistent before you add another stream of income. Get it? So ensure that you have steady, strong, and consistent streams of income. All right. In addition to that, your streams of income should be flexible, scalable, and sustainable. Those 3, flexible, scalable, and sustainable. All right, so now let us go into some ideas that you can do as a teacher to get that stream of income coming in. So the first thing you can do that I have on my list here is to teach English online or to teach any subject online. If you're a science teacher, a geography teacher, if you are a math teacher, or a music teacher, you can use this internet, the same internet I'm coming to you through. You can use this internet to monetize your skills and put up a class online and have one-on-one tutorials where students pay you to teach them a course or to teach them some form of skill. All right, so always think rather of how you can monetize your skills. So the first thing you can do is to teach online, and you can do that through online companies such as OutSchool, Coursera, and there are many other online companies that you can always search for. But I find that OutSchool is the best one that I usually encourage teachers to join and to monetize their skills through. The second one, which is the second stream of income that you can consider, is to start a YouTube channel. Hello, you see that I have a YouTube channel here, right? And I'm trying to use my platform, this YouTube channel, to stream live my web shows, my podcast sessions, and also to give you tips in between all of that. So you can start a YouTube channel, put up some videos, put up some audio clips, and promote yourself on your YouTube channel, and use your social media to also promote yourself and your YouTube channel. All right, so after starting and creating your YouTube channel and putting up videos, the third thing you can do is to build your own training course. Now you can go onto teachable.com and you can actually build your own course on Teachable. And then you can ask your students to come to Teachable to pay for that course that you have recorded and put up, and you'll get that earning from Teachable. I have a couple of courses on Teachable, and that is one way I earn, by promoting my courses in my groups, and the students always come and pay for the courses, and I get my money. And that is that long-term stream of income that once the course is there, it will always be there making money as long as you market and promote it. All right. Number 4 is, once you now start to have your own training course on teachable.com and you're promoting it and you have a sizable amount of students, you can now form a membership club with those students. So you have a club where persons meet maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks, and they have to pay to be a part of that club. You can say they pay $10 every month for, to be members of that club, or $5 if you don't want, them to think that it's too expensive. But think of having a membership club. Within that membership club, you can give persons tips and tricks on how to earn wealth, on how to teach maybe a particular subject better. You can invite persons who are innovators and experts to come and speak to the persons of your membership club. So you can have webinars and seminars for the specific persons in your membership club. And you can also offer one-on-one mentorship with persons that pay in your membership club. So think of that, especially if you are a seasoned teacher and you have lots of experience and lots of a wealth of knowledge rather to give over to young and aspiring teachers. A membership club may be the way to go. The fifth thing is you can start a web show. You can create your own show under your own theme or your own brand and promote it on social media, on YouTube, like what I have done. And use your own niche, your own talent, something that you enjoy, to create a web show around it. So whatever talent you have, whatever skill you have, create a show around that skill and talent. And then you'll never know where things may take you. The sixth one is writing a book. Many people right now are writing books. I've never seen so many people writing books all of a sudden. It's like, boop, everybody now have a book. But you can write a book. It doesn't have to be a hard copy like a book like this, but you can actually write an ebook and then sell it online. Many people have written ebooks and sell it on Amazon for $10, $15 maybe. And that is another source of income that they get. And you know, when you do your web shows, when you have your YouTube channel, you just quickly remind people, hey, I have a book on Amazon, please check it out. And you leave the link in the comment box or in the description box, and people go and click and buy. So you can decide which topic you want to write on, which theme you want to write on, or my suggestion rather would be for you to use whatever talent and skills that you have been promoting with your courses, write a book on that. Always have that what do you call it, that same interest, same theme, that running thread of similarity and familiarity, so that when your students come and they see you, they see, oh, you are the person that does the knitting and crocheting. Oh, you are the person that specializes in Jamaican cooking. So you have a Jamaican cooking show, you have a recipe book that you're selling, you have everything to do with Jamaican cooking, you have a membership club that persons from all around the world come in to hear and see how to cook Jamaican food. Seventh one is affiliate links. Now, with your books, you can promote persons and other people's brands, and their brands come with some affiliate links. So when the customers or your viewers click on that link, you get a percentage payment from that brand. So you can consider affiliate links. In addition to that, you can consider hosting a webinar with your students that you have garnered over the months that you've done your course. So you can do a short mini conference online and invite persons from all over to come and speak at the conference, and you can charge just a small fee for people to come to hear what you have to say on a particular topic. This helps to build your reputation as an authority on a certain matter. So when people see you, they know you as the person that cooks Jamaican food. Like I said before, when people see you, they know you as the person that knits and crochets. When people see another person, they know them as the science teacher, the science educator, etc., etc. So once you've built your brand, and once you start hosting webinars and seminars and conferences online, you are building and solidifying your brand in people's minds. So the last, well, one of the last things I have for you, this is the ninth tip I have for you, is to start doing speaking engagements. So even though you have your own conference and you're trying to build your own conference, you can also go out and speak at other persons' conferences. Go out and write proposals to enter persons' conferences and speak at these events so all the persons can see you. Another tip for that is don't stay locally. Always go internationally, because where the local people may not embrace you, the international people will always embrace you. All right, so try to get your name out there internationally by speaking at international conferences and webinars and things like that. And the last tip, which is the 10th tip, is after all is said and done, and after all you've taken all these tips into consideration, now you can approach big companies to do brand sponsorships, right? And I must say that I have a brand sponsorship in the works right now. Hey, hey. So you'll be hearing lots more about that in the coming months. But once you've built yourself a brand, once you've built yourself to for persons to know that you represent something, you represent an industry, you can speak on a certain matter, you have an authority and a certain wealth of knowledge around a certain topic, then companies want you to represent them so that you can promote their brands, maybe on your YouTube channel, promote your brands when you speak at international audiences, etc., etc. Right? So that's where these brand sponsorships and brand deals come in. If you want to get the ball rolling, you can reach out to your local friend who has a small shop or a beauty supply store or whatever it is, and cut a deal with your friend and say, hey, I'll promote your brand on my platform, on my YouTube page. If and for every customer I send you, you pay me this or that, whatever the agreement may be or the arrangement may be. You can start getting that ball rolling by reaching out to small business owners that you know of, your friends and family and so forth, and get that brand deal going. And when people see you start promoting and stuff, they're like, wait, maybe she can get a Toyota deal. All right. So those are the tips that I have for you for your multiple sources of income. So teachers, let us get it. Go out there, start working, start producing, and let us come back bigger than ever before. All right. So take care, guys, and stick with me as I try to roll out 3 videos every week for you. Like and subscribe and share to your other teachers as we grow together, as we learn together, invest together, and as we enjoy ourselves together on the way to becoming happy teachers. So take care, guys, until I see you next time. Bye-bye.